Well, I've got to replace my brake lights on my van. I had some LEDs in here and one of them burned out. Luckily the police didn't stop me, because around here that's one good reason for them to pull you over, just for no brake lights, or one brake light out, to harass you and stuff. So luckily I saved my original bulbs and put them back in. So I got a pair of last fit. These bulbs work pretty good. I put them in my truck, and I think I did that last year, and they're still working good. So I went ahead and picked up a pair to replace my original ones in my 2007 Toyota Sienna. So I'll go ahead and prop the camera up, take the lenses off, and replace the bulbs. Yeah, here's the old ones that I put in, actually almost 3 years ago, November of 2017, and already one has failed. So yeah, I mean, they were all right, but you know, they should have lasted longer than that, I would have thought, you know, being LEDs. But yep, into the trash they go. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and test it. Okay, I'll get the other one in. We'll test this one and see if it works. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and piece this back together. Alright, and I'll tighten this one up. Okay. Now I'll go ahead and save my original bulbs in case they burn out again. And these are made by Last Fit. This is the 7443 model number for my particular van. So, yep, quick easy swap out. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and until next time, adios.